Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So, this is a Corvette by Hotwheels, and this one is a 1984 Corvette. If you look at the shape, this is the shape which dictated the design in early 90s and even up to early 2000. So this was the shape which, well, there were changes, but the silhouette remained almost close to what we look at this car right now. So, and later, like in the last few years, the Corvette switched to a rear engine platform, so it's completely different now. But this is what most of us, like the people who were born in 90s, would have seen a Corvette as. So this casting, I don't know, but I think this might happen in production before from Hotwheels with a different paint or different design. Not design, but different paint. I got this one recently and it looks really nice. So let's start from the front. So up front you can see it's a big hood, racing stripes, pop-up headlamps. These were front engine V8 and rear wheel drive. So you had a big front hood and everything the power went to the back. So up front, if you see, you can see the shape of the Corvette, a long hood. Apart from that, there are no mud details on the front. You can see the Corvette logo here. No windshield wiper or anything. And the whole thing is a single piece plastic or glass. Moving to the driver's side. Now you can see these wheels. We have seen these on many Hot Wheels, especially some older ones. You've got those, a turn indicator, Hot Wheels badge, some grill which is not painted, a door handle, a black door handle which was very common back in 80s. You can see the rear windows. It curves and it's quite big. And if I'm not wrong, this design was continued in the Corvettes in the 90s Corvettes and even in the early 2000s. You also get this body line going from front to back. You can see the rear turn indicator here. Now let's do the back. The 4 tail lamp, which were continued till like separate, like I think 2 generations before what we get. After that, they become kind of one. So very, very, you can see and you can say it's Corvette. Now moving on to the passenger side, almost identical, no major differences. And this is how it looks from top. You can see the interior is done in black. And this is how it looks from the bottom. Overall, I would say a decent casting, because I didn't have this one before, so when I saw it, I had to grab it. I've got some different Corvettes, but not this one. So if you're a Corvette fan, you might want to add this one to your collection. That's what I think about the casting. Let me know what do you think, and that's all for. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.